Oh Lord. Oh Lord, look at that. Oh Lord, look at that. Ice, homeboy. You need some ice. Then you bust out your hen, okay? Because when you need hen. Hennessy, you want to pay me for that ad? Oh, sorry. Apparently we can't pour too much Hennessy. Hen, for the man who wants more. Okay, so now we come behind this. Oh, these Jolly Rancher drink mix.
You can do the whole thing.
Yes, ma'am, thank you for permission. We coming behind that with some apple juice, Smarts. I used to drink this as a kid. I was gonna say something smart, but it slipped. Guess what else this drink got, guys? So I given you 2 drops of food coloring. Now this by a woman called Drinks with Goody, okay? So this is her drink. I'm just modifying and copying and doing my way. All right. Check this out. Look at the beauty on that bad boy. Now this is a real thick syrup. This ain't really for, caramel syrup. This ain't really for running through bowls and stuff, but let's give this a try. What am I doing? Oh yeah. Look at that though. Can I just pour this? Oh yeah. You're going, Sky, that's not enough. Homeboy. When we blend, we always blend 2. We don't just walk in the wall with 1 gun. We have to carry a side piece just in case. Oh Lord, look at that. Oh Lord, look at that. Now homeboy, we're still not done yet because guess what I got here? I can just take this is a green apple, and I can put a little stick in there like so. You're supposed to be able to microwave this, right? But I don't want it like dripping everywhere. I like my stuff thick. You know what I mean? I'm into thickness. Right, look at that goodness, man. Look at that, and I can just rest this right here. But look at that. Okay, guys, so guess what? I can grab a couple nuts and just sprinkle it on my apple. I don't want it to go in the bowl, okay? Because I don't want y'all choking while you're drinking. Unless I don't like you, you know? You know what this is? This is a little mini hen, okay? Oh yeah. And hit it with the little straw. Ooh yeah. And there you have it, the caramel apple Henny Fishbowl, okay? Look at this jolly goodness. Y'all like, well, how come you always come up with these crazy things? Well, like I say, got this from someone. Ooh, the Henny is strong with this one. It's kind of like the Force. Drink responsibly, don't drink and drive, stay tipsy. What happens if I try to lick this apple though? Woo! Get the sweetness from the apple and then the Henny hit you. Later.